The main reason people don't use CRM, people like you, for example, is that it doesn't help you make a sale. I got tired of salespeople coming up to me and telling me, confessing to me, that they don't use their CRM program because they don't think that it helps them make a sale and it's a waste of their time. This is my challenge to you. You need a program called Ace of Sales. Because Ace of Sales will help you attract that customer, will help you engage that customer, will help you make an appointment with that customer, and actually give you sales tips all along the way so that when it's time to follow up or stay in touch with or build a relationship with a customer, you have the tools right at your disposal. What do you mean you never heard of Ace of Sales? Come on, aceofsales.com. Rock the house.